Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's class. Today, we're going to speak about a city festival. Have you ever gone to a festival? We will learn English by learning with a story called A Busy Day at a City Festival. So let's see. Today is Saturday, and there is a big city festival in the town square. Many people are enjoying the event. Some children are dancing in front of a band and their parents are taking photos of them. A group of friends is chatting with a singer after the concert. Two tourists are asking about the history of the city and a guide is talking to them, a tourist guide. Emma is at the festival with her brother Jack. Emma usually works in a cafe on Saturdays, but today she is helping at a food stand. Here is a picture of the festival. She usually wears jeans and a t-shirt to work, but today, as an exception, she's wearing a red festival uniform. Jack usually plays football with his friends on weekends, but today he is listening to the live music. He is having a great time. People are very different at the festival. One musician has long blonde hair and is wearing black clothes. Another singer has short brown hair and a beard. Many visitors are looking at the performers and are talking about their favorite songs. At the moment, Emma is taking a photo of her brother. Jack is smiling because he's happy. They both love the festival. So here's a picture of Emma taking a photo and Jack eating a corn. So let's start by analyzing some sentences from the story. For example, we have some sentences that are here. People are enjoying the festival. Emma is helping at the food stand. Jack is listening to live music. Children are dancing. Emma is taking a photo of Jack. So all these actions are happening right now at the festival. That's why we are using a particular verbal tense that is used to talk about actions that are happening right now, at this very moment, or around this time. We call this tense the present continuous, and we form it by using the verbs to be, am, is, or are, and the verb with an ing form. Look, I am walking. It is or she is walking. They are walking. So we use some particular time expressions with this tense, like now, at the moment, and today, because it's only now. So some verbs, or most of the verbs, we just add ing, like play, playing, talk, talking. But sometimes when the verb already has an E, we take away the E and we add ing. Dance, dancing, smile, smiling. So here we have the examples from the text, and you see that we have the subject, people, the verb to be, are, and the verb with ing, enjoying. The same here, but this time with she, so it takes an is. Helping. He is listening. Children, which is plural, take an are. Dancing. And Emma is again. Now, we're going to make a difference between The present simple, remember that we use the present simple for routines, actions that are repeated every day. And the present continuous for actions that are happening only now. They are not repeated, they are now. So we use the present simple to talk about things that we do regularly, like a habit, a routine, or something that is permanent. We use it with the subject and the base form. For example, I walk every day with my dogs. It's a routine. Or she walks every day with her dogs. We have to pay attention because in the simple present, remember that he, she, and it take an S. You see, I walk, she walks. And some key expressions are usually, always, sometimes, often, every day, on weekends, on Saturday, because they are actions that are repeated. For example, I usually walk to work. This is a habit. While the present continuous is used to talk about actions that are happening now. They are not repeated at this exact moment or for temporary situations. And we use the subject, the verb be, and the verb with the ing. For example, I am walking now. She is walking. And the key expressions are now, at the moment, today, right now, tonight. For example, I usually walk to work. This is a habit. But today, as an exception, it's a temporary action. I am taking the bus. So we have examples here in the story. We have some routines with the simple present, like Emma works in a cafe. She usually wears jeans and a t-shirt. So she works at a cafe usually, but today, as a temporary situation, she's helping at the food stand. She usually wears jeans and t-shirts, but today, as an exception, she's wearing a red uniform. Jack plays football on weekends, but today he's listening to live music. So you see that these are situations that are repeated or routines, and these are temporary. They are happening right now only. So let's see these examples. You can practice at home, and here you have the answers if you want to check. Don't cheat. First, complete the sentences and then check the answers. So remember that if you have any questions, you can let me know, send me a WhatsApp message, and we can discuss any doubts you have. Have a nice day!